First on 5, jury selection continues tomorrow for a former Mobile neurosurgeon charged with murder.
Jonathan Nakla is accused of driving drunk and speeding, causing a crash that killed his passenger.
WKRG News 5's Nicolette Schleisman was in court for jury selection today. She joins us now in the studio. And Nicolette, this is a story you've been covering since the beginning.
Yeah, that's right, Roseanne. And today the judge released the jury panel about an hour ago. They've been asked to return for more questioning from the defense attorney's side tomorrow morning. Now, there is a gag order in place, which means that we will not be able to speak with the district attorney's office or the defense attorneys during the trial. Jonathan Nakla is accused of speeding and driving under the influence in a crash that killed 24-year-old Samantha Thomas. Nakla, his family, and lawyers entered the courtroom on the mezzanine of Government Plaza Monday morning. Samantha Thomas's family also in the courtroom. Attorneys are selecting the jury from a large panel. They're questioning 60 people to fit the jury. Former District Attorney Ashley Rich is trying this case in a new role at the District Attorney's office as an assistant district attorney. The crash happened on August 1st, 2020 on the West I-65 service road near Airport Boulevard. Thomas was a passenger in the car. Nakla was a neurosurgeon with Mobile Infirmary at the time of the crash. He was fired from his position after he was charged with manslaughter. Charges against Nakla were upgraded to murder in the September of 2021. During previous court hearings, traffic homicide investigators testified Nakla and Thomas were drinking at the pool of the apartment complex where they both lived shortly before the crash. Prosecutors said the data recorder from Nakla's luxury sports car recorded him driving 138 miles per hour on the service road. They said Nakla's blood alcohol concentration was above the legal limit of 0.08. The defense has previously maintained there was no proof alcohol played a role in the crash. The investigator also testified first responders said Nakla made comments about his car and his, quote, very expensive watch, not appearing to be sad about the death. And the DA's office did the majority of the questioning today, asking if the panel members have been arrested for DUI or even gotten speeding tickets. Now, the trial is expected to last most of 2 weeks, but could go into 3 weeks, and the judge believes the jury will be selected tomorrow. Live in the studio, Nicolette Schleisman, WKRG News 5.